everyone, welcome back to my channel Grow Your Wings. I'm Neha Singh. So guys, first of all, thank you very much for showering me so much of love and support on all my videos. Thank you once again, and please stay tuned with my video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and a warm welcome to all of you. So in this video guys, I'm going to discuss you the Indigo airline again started hiring for ground staff. There are 3 departments, so please stay tuned with my video and please watch my video till the end, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Now, which are the cities? The different cities are Guwahati, Patna, Amritsar, Delhi, Rajkot, Bhubaneswar, Pune, Jodhpur एंड जयपुर. तो ये सिटीज़ में इंडिगो एयरलाइंस ने वैकेंसी निकालने का सोचा है उन्होंने. और जैसे ही मुझे अभी अपडेट मिला है, थॉट ऑफ शेयरिंग विद ऑल ऑफ यू. सो द डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स आर सिक्योरिटी, रैम्प एंड कस्टमर सर्विस. So I'm going to quickly discuss with all of you what are the requirements and criteria, when you apply for this position. First of all, when you watch my video, after my video, you can cross check on Google. You can go on the career website of Indigo Airlines, and you can cross check, the different departments. You will see all the departments, whichever departments, I am discussing in my video. You can cross check, and then later you can apply. So first of all, you have to be, it's a mandatory to be graduate from any stream. It doesn't matter whether you have done arts, commerce or science. Graduation is very, very important when you apply for ground staff, security and ramp. And make sure your age is, minimum age is 18 years and the maximum age has to be 27. Please, if you're 28, 29, please not apply, and do not message, when I'm talking in the video that your minimum age is 18 to 27. Still people later reply me that, ma'am, can I apply, I'm 30 years old. So it's a clear no, and no, it's a no. So please not apply and waste your time. The minimum age is only 18 to 27 when you apply for ground staff position. And make sure you're fluent in both languages, as I'm saying since day one. Please practice. Indigo airline is the only airline who's keeping back-to-back walk-in interviews for cabin crew and for ground staff and for various departments. So please, this is a golden opportunity for all of you. Please practice it, and you can apply and make your dream comes true. So the minimum age is 18 to 27 years. Make sure you don't have any tattoos on your body. Make sure you are fluent in both languages. एंड गाइज, इसमें हाइट का रिक्वायरमेंट कुछ भी नहीं है. तो यू कैन अप्लाई वेदर यू आर 5'1", 5'2", जो भी आपका हाइट होगा, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस पोजिशन. एंड इंडिगो एयरलाइन इज द नंबर 1 एयरलाइन एज ऑफ नाउ इन इंडिया. सो यू कैन अप्लाई. और ऐसा मत सोचिएगा कि मुझे कैबिन क्रू ही बनना है. दोस्तों, बहुत सारे कैबिन क्रू पहले ग्राउंड स्टाफ बन चुके हैं और उसके बाद एक्सपीरियंस लेने के बाद वो कैबिन क्रू बने हैं. सो प्लीज़, दिस इज़ अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. अगर आपको एयरपोर्ट में काम करना है, अच्छी एयरलाइन, नंबर 1 एयरलाइन के साथ काम करना है, सो दिस इज़ अ बेस्ट प्लेस टू अप्लाई. एंड यू ऑल आर फ्रेशर्स, यू कैन वर्क एनी वेयर. ऐसा नहीं कि आप मैरिड हो या आपके बच्चे हैं, किड्स है, यू कैन वर्क एनी वेयर. देर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम एज सच. सो यू कैन गो अप्लाई एंड मेक योर ड्रीम्स कम्स ट्रू. If any queries, anything you have, please do message me, and please not ask me for personal details. Please, जो भी आपको पूछना होगा, YouTube, on my YouTube channel you can message me. I will definitely reply you all. And in the description box, I'm gonna mention the link where to apply and all. So I wish you all the best. Please take care of yourself. You have a lovely day, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.